Acholi Tradition Forum is a cultural foundation registered in the state of Virginia, United States of America, to promote Acholi culture around the world and uphold its tradition. Acholi Tradition Forum is a negotiation with the Commonwealth State of Virginia for a partnership in hosting the first ever Acholi Convention in the state of Virginia in 2026. We believe a tentative partnership agreement will be reached in the months ahead on various components. We appreciate all the 134,000 members of the forum on Facebook and 113,000 on TikTok. We humbly appreciate each member for sacrificing their time and content to help promote our culture and community cultural tourism to the world. Northern Uganda and South Sudan is open to the world. Come and experience this unique culture, the best in the world. Please join our Facebook page to be updated on the progress, and we welcome volunteers to join the forum. Thank you. Papa,